What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I figured I would start this video out by giving you guys a little bit of a rundown. This video is a good few weeks older. I've been a little bit behind on getting all videos and stuff done. Now, I will say I was doing pretty good on all my stuff. As I've mentioned before, I'm still getting kind of used to this whole thing. I'm working insane hours at my normal job. We're at peak light up season and stuff like that. So that's had me crazy. I mean, like 130-hour, 2-week period and stuff like that. So I'm putting in a lot of time there. I'm not able to put in as much time at the shop as I want to. I've been here twice in the last week. I just haven't been able to come out here. It's been crazy. So having said that, I'm behind all this stuff. Now, something else that really put me behind is I was using iMovie to do all my editing and stuff. I don't know what you guys use. If you guys use something cooler or better, something easier, more user-friendly, you let me know. I'm not looking to spend a ton of money on it. That's what I liked about the iMovie is it was free, but I've been using Photoshop Express. That's what I'm using to do this video. So hopefully this turns out as good. I was really starting to get the hang of iMovie, and they put out an update and messed it up. So you can't edit a video and then save it to your camera roll and then upload it. So that has been a bit of a pain, a little bit of a workaround, but I'm trying. I'm still continuing. I'm doing the best I can. Hopefully I'm getting back in the swing of getting some videos on time. Now, having said that, there is a lot of news on Buster and some stuff that I'm actually not going to get into details of yet. That'll be in the next video, so make sure you guys come back next week, next Tuesday. Check out that video. But in the meantime, we did manage to take Buster to the track, and we did manage to get a pass in. I actually got two passes in. I was disappointed. I really wanted to get more. It was just so busy. It was the last event of the year for Bristol. They had no more races coming on except for the big fall fling, the $100,000 race. There was no way I was donating $800 for an entry ticket or however much a ticket is for fall fling. I wasn't doing it. So we went to DER Test and Tune on Friday night. I got two passes. There was a Coyote car that he added near miss. We'll say that. I'll touch on the end of the video after you see it. I'll kind of explain what happened. That was kind of wild. And on top of that, there was a ton of guys out there that for whatever reason had kill tunes loaded on Friday night, which makes no sense, and was just slicking the track down left and right. I mean, the Coyote that goes down, you'll see in this video, he ended up sacrificing that thing at about 9. And it was 10 o'clock before we got an extra run in. They were supposed to end at 10. They ended up running an extra hour till 11. And by the time I got back to the lanes, they had already cut them off. They're just like, dude, we're going to be racing till 11:30 with how long the lanes are. So that was crazy. That was intense. And I'm going on. I'll try to shorten this a little bit more. But that was what ended up happening. And I only got 2 runs. So the car's still hurt. The transmission's still hurt. It is not wanting to shift under massive power. You can get the 1-2 and you can get 2-3. The 3-4 is not going. It's just not happening. The first run, I did manage to get it. The second run, I missed 4th. And I hate it. Dude, I almost got my goal. But, almost. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you all think. Hopefully this edit's not too bad. I'm doing the best I can here with what I got. And make sure you guys come back next week and check out the new news on Buster. It's shocking. What's up, guys? So today we're at the track. We're gonna be running Buster. No nitrous. I did not manage to get it done in time. I did manage to get the wideband hooked up so I can see it, but I'm still having connection issues with getting it to connect to LiveLink. I'm not entirely sure what that issue is, but I've been fighting it for 3 days, and this is the last event of the year, and I figured if it drove to Mustang Week on this tune, it will race on this tune. So we're gonna get out here and see how this thing will do. I think that if I can get the 60 foot down, this car might go 13s, but we'll see. Old tires, slow car, hurt trans. See if we can set some personal bests today. Well, let me rephrase that. We got to set starting times for this car today. But let's see if they're better than the last 2-valve is I had. The last 2-valve, I went a 14.2 was the best. So we'll see how this thing goes, and maybe I can set myself a personal 2-valve record. How about that? That sounds better, right? Let's get it. I got Paul helping lining me up and videoing on the outside, so we'll see how it does. We're gonna be real easy on these shifts this first pass. Keep it together, at least that way I can make a second. Golly, he cracks me up. Please hold. All right. Looks like, you know, I've still got this wire here. I can zip tie that boy up in there because I've got that. What I'm more worried about is this nitrous line right here that I have not gotten put away yet where I want it. However, it looks like I might be able to stake it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. As long as it doesn't hurt it up there. We are good. Sticky its entire life. Drag week making us work this week. had a whole bunch of downtime, there's a Coyote car, which I just met the guy. It's a pretty cool, the Vortec YSI car with a 6R80. And as soon as he launched, the lower radiator hose just busted and dumped coolant. I don't know how this guy did hit the wall, but we just spent forever cleaning up coolant. So now we'll finally see what it does. Got some smoke out the tires that time. That's the least likely that I would have thought I'd miss, because this shift's great. Fourth has a pretty good synchronizer. It's never grinded, but second and third, no synchronizer left in them, they grab. Fourth gear synchronized just fine, miss it, of course. Thank you. Dang you, fourth gear. Oh man, that was so close. We went 14,192 at 94. It went 189 to the 60 foot. I know I can do better than that. Let me see if I can get one more. Well, I didn't end up getting another pass in. The line's way too long to run 8th mile stuff, and they were already shutting them down to run all of it. So no more 8th, no more quarter, no nothing. So unfortunately, those are the only 2 passes we're going to be able to get in tonight. And you know, I've never had a 2-valve run that fast before. The fastest I ever went in my other 2-valve was a 1426. So still set a PB at 14.1. I'm happy with it. It's a good baseline. The car went 189 to the 60 foot that second pass. So having said that, there's our baseline. I think, if I remember correctly, I'm not looking at the slip right now, I think I went 9.0 to the 8th mile. So we've got a couple local tracks they still run the rest of this year. We'll probably end up running some 8th mile stuff, but I'm definitely going to look forward to seeing how this thing does. I mean, I'm so close to having the nitro stuff done. If an opportunity comes up to race quarters somewhere, I'll probably take it this winter. All things coinciding together with one another, so we'll see how things go. But we did get a little bit of content, and hopefully you guys liked some of this stuff. I'm really glad that dude didn't wreck that black Coyote car with that Vortec. I was talking to that dude. He bought that car brand new, the original owner. So the fact that he bought that car new and would have put it in the wall tonight after having the car together for less than 24 hours, dude, that's a heartbreak even for me. And I can only imagine how he'd feel. So I'm so glad he saved it and was able to drive it in the trailer and take it home. Like always, Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, share my videos, help me out, help me grow so I can bring more enjoyment to your all's life, if I've brought any whatsoever so far. If not, hopefully you at least learned something. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks for coming. Like always, make better choices, and we'll catch you on the next video.